Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Most of our callers facing termination issues. Of course, if you submit fake certificate, edited documents, edited payslip, edited form 16, edited bank statement, definitely companies will send you out along with termination record. You cannot use that experience. That is why they are terminating you from the organization. The terminated record will be there in the previous organization wherever you got terminated. That company will record in their database. The reason will be captured in the database. If you join in the new company, they will search your employee number. If they search the employee number, the database will show you why they terminated. First of all, whether you relieved properly or not. If it is terminated, what is the reason for termination? Entire thing A to Z information will be there. So you cannot join. Even PF account created, that is big headache. You cannot get the job. Okay. And don't worry, there is a solution. Okay. You call me, I will tell you how approach organization, how to join in the new companies. Okay. And yeah, of course, if you already have offer, don't call me. And if already joined with the termination record, don't call me. If you want to join even though got termination letter, you call me blindly. I will tell you how to join in genuine way. Okay. So don't worry, there is a solution. Definitely I will help you, but you need to follow my instructions. I will give you genuine solution only. My followers know about that, and definitely that will work 100%. Okay. So consulting fee you need to pay. The consulting fee will be big. If you are interested, you can drop mail to me. My mail ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care.